Bonjour.
Hello, hello.
One day in France, and I'm already speaking French.
Oh, first day was a little rough because we were up for 24 hours. So if you saw yesterday's video, the previous video when we were walking through Cannes and what we can yesterday, and I think I kept saying the music festival, but you all know I meant the movie festival, the film festival. See, I was up for 24 hours. I was struggling, and we're still overcoming all the jet lag, but it's all good because we have so much planned for today, and it's so exciting. So we're gonna go downstairs. I think the hotel does a breakfast, so we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna be on to our tour, and we're going to where?
We are going to Monaco, place where they do all the races. That's my happy place.
So we're going to Monaco, Monte Carlo. We're going to Ez, or maybe it's pronounced Ease. I'm not for sure. And some other places as well. So it's about a 7-hour small tour that we're doing. And you're going to be along with us and experiencing all the things that we're going to experience. So hopefully we're eating some good food, seeing some good sights, doing a lot of shopping, and just soaking in all this great culture on the French Riviera. So come along and see what's next in tune for us.
Au revoir.
So I'm having the soft scrambled eggs, which are delicious. Had these yesterday. Some bacon and some French toast. And they were out of syrup, so I just put a little dollop of preserves on it.
It's only you for this tour.
It's a sponsor. Okay.
So we'll just say France or we'll just send the back when you're busy for you.
I can send the back.
No, I mean,
I can sit back here.
and you may when you want.
It was originally going to be a group tour, but now it's just us to get all the attention.
I think the Chinese second one. This is high school in your right side.
That's high school. I thought that was a college.
Yeah.
That's beautiful.
Yes. It's high school.
Oh, it's where we fancy yesterday.
Education in France is free, and education. So also and high school, and college and university. Is free.
Oh, wow.
It's included in taxes. I don't know how much in dollars.
So our first stop was to Fragonard. Now, if you're in the French Riviera, this is a must visit. It's a family-owned perfumery and is dedicated to offering high-quality fragrance products at really, really good prices. So the fragrances are made from 100% natural wheat, alcohol, and raw materials. And people really love them because of their composition of the concentrates. So a little goes a long way. And of course, we could not leave without making a great purchase.
Once we left Fragonard, we went up to the Ez village. And this is known for its medieval architecture and breathtaking views of the Mediterranean. It's like one of the destination spots in the French Riviera. And you can explore the narrow, winding streets. They are very narrow and very winding. You could visit the exotic garden at the top, see the historic Chapelle de la Sainte Croix. While the medieval village is beautiful, be prepared for a steep climb. So we just let the girls have the camera and go tour the small areas at the top. So if you have accessibility issues, like if your knees hurt, if you're walking a lot or walking a lot hurts, just take your time, take the stairs. There was a lot of people who had walking sticks to get up and down the steep stairway.
Au cactus, ils ont pas un pansement.
There's a lot of shopping, there's a lot of galleries. There's like fresh lavender that grows naturally up there.
Oh my goodness, that is absolutely beautiful.
And this is Monaco, and Monte Carlo is the name of the street here.
What?
Here,
I never knew that.
The last one, the last street is gracefully sweet. That one is 50,000 euro a night.
What?
Wow. Yes.
So we are in Monaco,
Yep.
and we are at the restaurant Med Pinocchio. So it is so beautiful here. So the only thing I know about Monaco is like my dad has come here, and I've seen so many pictures. And so to really be here, this is one of my main reasons why I wanted to do this trip, because we missed our trip in June. We had to move it, and we ended up doing something else. But wonderful. The tours go well. We just left Eve in the village, right? The village.
village.
One thing we learned, how about Monte Carlo? Yeah, maybe you all knew this. We just didn't know.
Yeah, we didn't know. So Monte Carlo is actually just a street. It's not a town or anything like that. So when they say go to Monte Carlo or hanging out in Monte Carlo. It's just a street with a lot of shopping.
Just like in LA. Like,
Yeah, Rodeo Drive.
it's like Rodeo Drive. I never knew that. So we are going to do that part 2. We're going to go to the street where the race car, Formula 1 race?
Formula One. We're going to go to the track. We're going to see where they dock the yachts. Another thing we learned about Monaco, they got privileges. Serious privileges. Like, if you have a Monaco plate, license plate on your vehicle, you can go anywhere in France or wherever. And you won't, if you so happen to get a ticket, you don't have to pay it.
Yeah, you don't have to pay it. You don't have to, there aren't any taxes here.
Yep.
So, no tickets, no payment of tickets or anything.
Yeah. And there's no crime here. There's no, it's like a little perfect place in the middle of all this beautiful landscape. It's really nice.
So we have some food on the way. I'm having the carbonara. So this restaurant was recommended by our tour guide.
Ben is the bomb.
Yeah, he's really great. So it's a blend of Italian and French food. So
Yeah.
kind of got pizza and pasta. Let's show how it looks.
Then I got the local beer, which is the Rosier de Monaco. And it is pretty good. It's not bitter at all. So if you're out and happen to come here, and you can go, I'm pretty sure you can go anywhere in this area and get good food. But this is recommended. So we're here.
So to let you know if it was
Yeah.
Stay tuned. Let's get some.
So for Grand Prix, they need 2 month preparation, everything. You know, they move the restaurant here, everything. You know.
Oh, that's what I was going to ask you. So they closed everything down 2 months before.
Yes.
So we're still in Monaco. We're on, where are we? What is the track?
This is the track, the Monaco GP, Monaco Grand Prix.
So this is the actual track. So we did a whole ride down there, as you all see, show before this. That ride that you all saw, that's where we were on the actual track that the F1 drivers are going down. So it was pretty cool to be able to do that. And he was, of course, loving it.
I was loving all of it.
And then across here is where all the yachts are. And so in order to be able to have your yacht over there is a membership that you have to pay. And I think he said
60,000 euros
a year that you have to pay.
to start.
To start.
60,000 euros.
And then you have to, of course, have a yacht. And so that's where all the yachts are. So these are just some things when you are in Monaco, some things that you want to make sure that you are seeing, even if you're not interested in it, just to be involved in everything that happens in Monaco. It is absolutely beautiful what they're doing here. It's a beautiful, beautiful, it's a city and a country actually. So I think that's the end of it. I don't think anything else is next.
Yep. So we're heading back to Cannes.
And then we're going to get into whatever we're going to do there. But whatever it is, guess what? We're going to bring you with us.
Deserve.
All right, logging off right now from Monaco.
There was one thing that I did want to mention. Right where we were standing, we were outside the Collection des Voitures. That is the Prince of Monaco's personal car collection. They kind of set it up as a museum, but it's not really a museum. It's his personal collection of old cars of all ages from all countries. He just loved vintage cars, modern cars, hypercars, supercars. This was started by Prince Rainier III and is continued by Prince Albert II to enhance the private collection that they started. But I did want to mention that. I'm going to put a little preview in here, but if you're in Monaco, check it out. I am finally in my element.
Hello.
Hi.
We are back in Cannes from our wonderful, fabulous day in Monaco today, in ease. So, we're now on our way to get some croissant. That's right by our hotel. And I think, is this it?
No.
That's the cafe shop. So our hotel is Novotel Suite Cannes Center. It's the proximity to everything is insane. Everything is so walkable. You can walk to everywhere that you would want to go. Like there's a little grocery right here. All the fresh fruits and vegetables, snacks. If you're like us who like to get snacks for every country we're in, you'll be able to get all those things in there as well. So we have to make a stop in there. And then, of course, you want to get some pastries and things of that nature. So that's what we're on our way to. So we decide, you know what? Let's bring our friends along with us. So come on, let's go.
Macron time. I got to get all the French stuff I can say while I'm in France. See you soon. Au revoir. We didn't find a croissant, but we did find L&T Turkish restaurant. The food was absolutely delicious. If you're out there, give them a visit.
Thank you so much for watching. As you see, our channel is all about traveling, and we travel by planes, trains, automobiles, and cruise ships. So join us along, and if you like this kind of content, please like, share, subscribe. We'll love to have you along the ride with us.
And we are on our mission to get to 1,000 subscribers. So remember, we do travel.
Yes, we do.